Daniel, what did you buy?
Yeah.
What is this? Oh my God. Oh, this is the one with the weight reduction.
Oh, it works.
What works?
The unlock button.
You're kidding. The door unlocks work?
It actually works.
And the door opened. What's about the back door? Hey, this one didn't open last time. It opened. Hey, look at the leather seats. And look at the front pocket. This is all from Vice Grip. Oh, by the way, if you don't see Vice Grip Garage, you got to go watch him. Every time he buys a used car and he finds a tool, he goes, oh, front pocket find.
Oh.
That's where some of that nonsense comes from. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, my God.
There's lots of garbage.
Bottle of water. Evian. I wouldn't drink it, though. It looks like someone else has had their lips wrapped around it. There's another front pocketer right there.
Oh.
There's a wheel chock over there. I'm wondering, what else is in this thing? Oh, look at that. There's a socket. Dun, dun, dun. What size are we? Tell me 10 mil. 17 mil.
There's a little ways off.
Well, you know. Okay, I don't know how your seats work.
I couldn't figure it out.
They should fold forward.
Yeah, I think the cable's broken off.
Oh. Well, that's the passenger side. Let's see, does it have a fuel cap? Ta-da! But not a diesel fuel cap. It's got a gas fuel cap.
Is this power folding mirrors?
No shit. Really? No, that's your seat position. 1, 2.
No.
Power seat. Yeah, that's for your seats.
Well, what's this thing then?
That's to program them.
It's like a door opening picture.
I don't know. Pretty sure it's
Oh, the seat is moving.
yeah. So you have power.
Oh, weird.
You have seat memory. I mean, the
Memory
seats
foam
don't.
seats.
The Alzheimer's mouse brigade that ate the seat and the headliner. I mean, the headliner's awesome. Look at this.
Don't wreck my headliner.
Oh my God! Don't pull the headliner down.
Oh, you have to fix
Look,
that.
it's right here too.
You're gonna, you're gonna have to fix that.
Hey, does this work?
No, it doesn't. Don't wear it out.
Horn. Oh, the horn works. Oh, I don't know. Let's give it a try.
All right.
Dash come to light. No, she's dead.
No.
Yeah, it's dead.
Oh, it is dead.
Oh, it's dead.
What? Oh, we got ripped off.
Battery.
He said it was good.
Oh yeah, good for a day. It's been 3.
He said it started right up.
Oh, look at this. It's a removable pocket liner with a water cup. Oh, no drugs in the door. That's good. Look at this. And the door closes. So good. Mirror.
Oh, it's a nice connections.
Oh, well, yeah.
Probably just drains itself.
I don't doubt it. Yeah, these are dead batteries.
Yeah, it says it comes with good batteries.
Mm-hmm. Good for one day.
Totally.
So as we step back from this, Daniel, tell me all the high points. I mean, I'm seeing an eyeball missing.
It's got one good headlight.
Does it go high beam, low beam?
Yeah, no, only the high beam works. But it's good, so that's okay. And then you have good bulb sockets.
You have a wiring harness.
I mean, there's a good fender flare here too. Right?
This one?
Yeah, I could sell the fender flare. Oh,
Yeah, that's in excellent shape.
man,
Look at
you
that.
just-
Comes right off. There you go.
thanks.
You're welcome. Saved you from all the work of taking it off. But the fender, look at the fender. The fender, look, crunchies.
Tetanus.
You want some crunchies? They're like chips. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Okay. So we're not worried about the fender flare, obviously.
This has a really good
Ooh.
wheel on it.
This is an awesome. I like the fender flare though. This fender flare is in excellent shape with the zip screws into it.
Don't break my fender flare.
This one?
Nope.
I don't think I could. I think it's attached too well down there. Because at 100 mile an hour, this didn't come off. But look at the...
It's a wavy bedside.
Oh, do that again. It's an awesome shape. Oh, the exhaust. One-piece exhaust. I wondered why it was blowing exhaust in my face. Oh. I think that's in really good shape. This is definitely repairable.
Yep, just got a new bedside on.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good tires, too.
Oh, I do see one saving grace. The third tail light's in good shape. And it has a heated rear window. Can you see it? Heated rear window. Look at that. I mean, I don't even think this aluminum headache rack bar thing is worth it. Maybe, well, whatever those aluminum things over the stairs are, or the stairs, over the...
Both of these sides are coming off.
Is this any good?
It is good.
Oh, it's got one screw.
Yeah, but it's still good.
One screw. So we don't want to break this one.
Yeah.
Definitely don't break this one.
Yeah, no. I can get $5 for that.
Five.
Look, the bulbs are missing.
You're encouraging me to break it
No,
now.
I can get $20.
Like $20 is still an encouragement to break it.
Well, I might need it.
Okay, so you might need it. Look at the tetanus.
Let me see what happens. Watch your fingers.
Look at the. You can peel the 4x4. Does this take it out of 4-wheel drive then?
No.
Oh, I thought it might. It is. Oh. Let's see how well it will stand up to the abuse. Yeah. Oh, pretty good. It's got some good steel in it still. Yeah. That one there, she's... This one here needs a little bit of Viagra to stiffen it up, I think. Yep. It's got some issues. And the cab lightning there. It's got a cab corner that's only slightly missing.
Yeah.
But did you see the tools on the other side? Yeah, the passenger side door works. Well, the back one will be difficult.
Yeah, maybe it does work.
It has an accessibility
Where's
issue.
Where's that?
We'll just put the fender flare underneath.
I think I can open it.
How to steal a truck 101. Stare inside.
Find the right cable.
Start looking like a cracky going. Oh, he's hurting himself now.
Where's the right?
Oh, look at him stick his hand in there. He'd be good on a horse farm.
Oh.
That'd probably be the sound the horse would make.
What?
I mean, we could just do it this way too.
Yeah, I guess so. It's probably locked or something.
Hold on, I gotta get my. Where's the fucking handle? I can't reach. Oh, there it is. I just about had it. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
We got it open.
Oh.
Back seat finds.
Nothing.
Oh, set of
cigarettes.
no darts. Coveralls.
Somebody
Coveralls.
Jacket.
Oh my God, that's just awesome. Look at that. Oh, it's got a name on it too.
Hey, we got grease.
All right, look at
got
two
two
tubes
tubes
and they're
of
full of grease. Full of grease.
Oh yeah.
No shit, brand new. Those are like $8 a tube now.
Stuff.
I don't know, good stuff, but it's good.
That's the stuff I use.
Yeah. Firefly? Does that say Firefly on it?
I don't know.
Oh shit, that might be from the TV show. You'll have to just see what the TV show ones look like.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, and it's a Torx.
It's a T30.
Oh, it's a 27s usually. Like, oh, look at this.
Yeah, I wanted 24.
Look at this.
Yeah, there was some good stuff there.
There's 1, 2, 3.
I was talking about the Timbit.
No, the mice got those.
Oh.
And the windshield is broken. Is it broken?
Is it broken? No, it's good. It's good.
I could have sworn it was broken. It looks like it's got a crack up there, but I think that's where the wiper track is.
It's good, but it's the wrong one.
Look at this. And you got a hammer.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
Oh,
oh,
this is the door.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah. Oh, forget that.
Through the window.
Oh yeah.
Do not listen to the voices in your head. I'm not sure what this do. I think that's the stiffener rod. You know, the stiffener rod. But I think it's for that fender over there.
I think it goes on the batteries. Ah!
Oh. And a chalk. Did you look in the glove box?
How much money for this thing? Be careful.
You paid $850.
$1,000.
Ooh,
yeah.
they even she gave you the socket
yeah,
too.
The socket.
No, that's for the spline drive.
Perfect.
Oh, look, safety squints.
A screwdriver.
You're definitely not going to be screwed. And a good one too. It's a decent one.
Yeah, it is.
You're definitely not going to get screwed on this deal. Except for the whatever.
What's in there?
Nothing.
They took the paperwork.
It's empty. Oh, there's one right down here. Right there.
A what?
Right there.
Oh, yeah. That fell out of there.
Oh.
Yes.
So you got 4 sockets because you got that chrome one there in the middle. Oh, did you look in the
I think it's empty.
the room of requirement? I mean, the headliner's still.
Oh, my headliner.
It's coming down. That's like it's still here. I mean, it's not broken. The voices in my head are screaming at me to pull it off. I mean, the backrest, the back rest of the seat they're both in excellent shape. Even the armrest. Like, look at the armrest.
Oh yeah, they actually have armrest.
Yeah, except this part. Right here. Yeah. Both of them are a little bit torn. This one, not so much as that one. That one.
This one's still good.
Yeah, this has got a couple more miles in it
Yeah,
yet.
you can just duct tape this.
Yeah. And it's power.
Yeah. This thing's fully loaded.
They just whooped the shit out of a fully loaded truck. Like, got anything in the door? Power door locks. Seat backrest heat.
Oh yeah, you got full heat there.
Door locks are not working, but that's okay.
Door.
Close is nice. It's I'd say it's kind of subjective to good or bad. Actually, yeah, you know what? It's not swollen on the bottom. So if you get doors from an antique or a truck like this, and the pinch welds right here, the pinch seams, if it's bad, it'll be all swollen across the bottom.
Then you just grind it off and bond it.
And the door seam is gone.
Yeah, that's okay.
So this might be from the TV show The Firefly.
TV show.
Yeah, remember Firefly? And I don't know if you've ever seen that.
It actually says it here too.
Oh, it's
actually the brand.
It's the brand, Firefly.
Oh, it sure is. Is there anything in the pockets?
Is there any money in it? Look for money. Snacks?
Stick my hands in there, but
I want snacks. You got a crayon, a graham cracker,
there's
Ritz
no
cracker.
snacks.
Well, the pockets aren't chewed open. There could be.
Wallet or something.
Wallet would be really nice with like $1 million in it right now. It'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Then of course we have this one. We're not going to talk about this one though.
No, that's not mine.
This is the other fender. Like, look at this thing. Can you imagine what it looked like when we were driving this down the road?
You just cut this right off and put a new side on it though. And then the truck will be mint.
Squint.
No, don't squint if it's mint.
No, squint. It's mint.
Oh.
Like this. This taillight is in perfect shape. Where's my hammer?
What?
That piece went over there, and it went like right here.
Yeah.
Well, just like,
Killed you.
just about died.
The bumper's good too.
Oh, that bumper is. The bolts are good.
Well, I guess I'll have to jump start it. Then I can.
What the hell's this?
I need to go grocery shopping. So.
Oh, you gotta go grocery shop.
Yeah.
Hey, look at this. You might have a receiver plug here that's good. Probably not.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, it's perfect.
Maybe that's why the lights don't work. It's not plugged in.
Oh yeah, it's got a few pins left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's halfway to being ready to go. And then you got the spare aluminum rim. So anybody want a set of aluminum rims? I mean, they'll be up for sale. He's got 4.
Yeah, they're mint. They just need a polish.
You got to get them cleaned, polished, and then you got to get those little bastards out. Those hold the hubcap on. They don't come with hubcaps, but I'm thinking like $3,000 for those rims.
Yeah.
The tire's free.
Yeah.
You know,
Rare.
these are traction aiding devices.
And
And
tetanus.
tetanus. Definitely tetanus.